Where are the billions meant for student scholarships really going? Hi, I'm Aman Khalid and welcome to Pakistan Connect News Bulletin at 12 p.m. Efforts afoot for second round of US-Iran talks. Another round of Iran and United States dialogue was being actively pursued as Pakistan regional capitals and major powers have stepped up efforts to prevent the fragile process from sliding back into confrontation, diplomats said on Monday. Despite a ceasefire and peace talks in Islamabad, the conflict between the US and Iran continued to escalate on Monday as the American military blockade all maritime traffic entering and exiting Iranian ports in a move that could push the region towards a fresh round of hostilities. The Swiss Southern Gas (SSGC) has failed to ensure supply even during meal hours 3 times a day, leaving people across Karachi helpless and fuming amid unannounced gas cuts. The SSGC claimed that it was providing gas to domestic consumers from 6 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. without any interruption. However, over the past 2 weeks, Karachiites have been complaining about unannounced load shedding in their local localities. The UN Secretary General is also sending his special envoy, Jean Arnold, to Islamabad to consult Pakistan's leaders on ways to help end the Iran war, which is increasingly seen as a global threat. In a statement issued by the spokesperson in New York on Monday, the UN chief noted that although no agreement was reached in the Islamabad discussions, the very fact that two sides engaged underscored the seriousness of their commitment. Private schools pocketing over ₹5 billion by ignoring scholarship quota, Islamabad High Court confirmed. In a revelation that underscores a massive gap between legislative intent and ground reality, it has emerged that private education institutions in the federal capital are allegedly pocketing between ₹5 billion and ₹6 billion annually by failing to implement a mandatory 10% scholarship quota for deserving students. Stay connected to Pakistan Connect for more updates.